I was afraid to pass that recipe. The owners of the Outback are wondering how I discovered this secret. You will use 800 grams to 1 kilogram of rib. Remove all the cover that's near the bones at the bottom. You can use a knife or a spoon. In a container, prepare the seasoning. 5 teaspoons of dehydrated garlic, onion and parsley, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of English sauce, 6 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, and now it's just mixing everything very well. Add some black pepper or another pepper of your choice. Pass all the seasoning at the top, then pass at the bottom. Wrap it in foil. Here I used 5 to 4 sheets, and it's very important to do the way I'm doing the video for the rib to be very tasty. After wrapping, just put in one shape. Take to the oven at 180 degrees for 1 hour and a half. After all this time, look how our rib is getting. Now just brush with the seasoning left over from the sides, and then add a little more barbecue sauce. I advise you to buy a thinner rib with more meat to get even better. My rib has plenty of meat. Bake again at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. And look how this rib keeps melting. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super easy rib to make, which gets very tasty and it melts in your mouth. Sincerely, you don't lose anything to an Outback rib. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.